Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. First you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Here you will see that your Instagram account is connected. And if you tap on your Instagram ID, it will take you to your Instagram profile. Now to disconnect your Instagram account, tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you will see disconnect Instagram option. Now tap on that and your Instagram account will be disconnected immediately. Now if you go back to your profile, you will see that add Instagram option is now showing up. And that's how you can disconnect Instagram account very easily on Clubhouse. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.